Welcome to today's Rukiga lesson. In this video, you will learn 7 days of the week in Rukiga. This is a Bantu language spoken in southwestern Uganda. I'm going to make this lesson very simple, very clear. It's very perfect for beginners, kids, teachers, and anyone really interested in learning Rukiga. Rukiga is a language that is very closely related to Runyankore. In fact, once you speak one, you will be able to speak the other, and vice versa. As far as I'm concerned, it's the same language, except for the accent, of course, that you put on certain words. So in this video, I will make sure you learn all 7 days of the week, and I'll make sure you know how to pronounce them correctly and be able to write them. And then in a follow-up lesson at a later date, I will give you usage examples. That way you can start practicing and speaking right away. So keep joining me on a regular basis, on a weekly basis, and practice with me because we want to get you to start speaking Rukiga very soon. And once again, I want to thank you so much for joining me. All right, let's get started. So the way we say 7 days of the week in Rukiga is Ebiro mushanju by'omusande mu Rukiga. Hopefully you can say this very soon. The first word we have is Monday. In Rukiga, Monday is Orwokubanza. Orwokubanza. O is the same sound as in the English vowel O. 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 Comment if you get that sound, please. RWO is row, as in the word row. Row. Oro. K and U is ku, as in the word cool. Oroku. B and A is ba, as in the English word bar. Orwokuba. NZA is nza. Orwokubanza. Write the word for Monday in the comments. The next word we have on our list is Tuesday. Tuesday. In Rukiga, this is Orwakabiri. Once again, we have O, as in the English word O. Then we have RWA, ra, as in rap. Rap. Orwa. Then we have K and A, as in the word car in English. Orwaka. Orwaka. B and I is B, as in the word B. Orwakabi. Orwakabi. Then we have RI, as in the word Li. So the word for Tuesday in Rukiga is Orwakabiri. The word for Tuesday in Rukiga is Orwakabiri. I'm so happy we are almost in the middle of the week, Wednesday. So the word for Wednesday in Rukiga is Orwakashatu. Wednesday is Orwakashatu. We have to test your knowledge. Write the word for Tuesday in Rukiga. O. RWA, ra, as in run, really more like rap. Ra, orwa, orwa. K and A is ka, as in the word car in English. Orwaka. SHA is sha, as in the English word sharp. Orwakasha. T and U is two, as in the word two. Orwakashatu. So the Rukiga word for Wednesday is Orwakashatu. Next, let's get into Thursday. The English word Thursday, the fourth day of the week. In Rukiga, this is Orwakana. Orwakana. It starts with O as usual. I think by now you know how to say O. I don't have to repeat it over and over. And I believe you also know how to say RWA, Rwa, as in wrath, or run, or Rwa. And I believe you also know how to say K and A, Ka. You may not be familiar with N and A because I haven't said it much, but the rest of the letters you should know. So N-A as in nanny. Thursday in Rukiga is Orwakana. The next day we're going to discuss is Friday. Friday. The Rukiga word for the word Friday is Orwakatano. Orwakatano. We have O, R-W-A, Orwa, K-A, Ka, Orwaka, T and A, Ta, Orwakata. Then we have N-O as in no, Orwakatano. So the Rukiga word for the English word Friday is Orwakatano. The next word we are discussing is Saturday. Saturday. This is the 6th day of the week. And the Rukiga word for Saturday is going to be Mukiga. Mukiga. We have O. R-W-A is Ra, as in wrath, or Ra. M-U is Mu, as in moon, or Ra Mu. Comment now if you're liking this lesson. I want to hear from you, please. K-A-A is Ka, as in car, or Ra Muka. Then G-A is Ga, as in gun. So the Rukiga word for the English word Saturday is Orwakashatu. Orwakashatu. All right, we have one more day to cover, and that is Sunday. Now, Sunday is very interesting because all the other days were being named after their numbers because the days of the week correspond to numbers. But in this case, Sunday has two words. This is really interesting because Sunday is sticking out like a sore thumb. I wonder who created that. So here we have S-A as in sa. Then we have N-D-E, Nde, as in day. Then we have S-A as in sa. Then B-I-I, B, as in the word be. And the last two syllables is T-I as in tea. So the word for Sunday is Sunday or Sabiti. Congratulations, we are done. Days of the week in Rukiga: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. You know how to say them, you know how to write them, you know how to sound them out. I hope you practice. So do me a favor, in your comments, go ahead and write down the Rukiga word for Monday. Test yourself. I want to see who does this first, okay? And if you want to continue learning Rukiga, having Rukiga lessons, I would really appreciate you if you subscribe, if you comment, and keep coming back for more videos like this, and support me as I grow. I really want to put our language in writing, and I want to leave it behind for our children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren. You know, one day they will look for this language and it won't be there. It is our responsibility to put it there. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Kare mwebare kandi musibeje.